Hey YouTube, what is going on? The Printer Guy here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the ink bottles on the Epson EcoTank 2400 model. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. There's also going to be a link down in the description below for the Best Printers universal version of this ink. Now, of course, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the Epson version of this ink on your printer. All right, so the very first ink bottle that we're going to install is black. And this is the bottle that you're going to receive. And you can open the cap by twisting it off. And so to install ink bottles, if this is your very first time, you're going to take the bottle, flip it upside down, and place it right in the compartment where the color is indicated. So if the color says black, you're going to install black, and so on. Now, these are the ink tanks or the ink reservoirs. This is where the ink actually is going to be housed. And you want to make sure that that is totally full and that there is virtually no ink, or sometimes there's very little ink left over at the end once you are totally done filling it. Now, if for some reason the ink is not moving when you go to put the bottle over the ink compartment and it's not flowing for some reason, you can move it up and down gently, not totally removing it, but kind of just shimmying it up and down, and the ink should start flowing. Now, if you were curious to know the difference between Epson ink and the universal Best Printers ink for this printer, I'm going to be linking to a video. It's going to be showing you a test that I did, two separate printers using the two different types of ink and the quality that was able to be produced with the two separate types of ink. And of course, one of them is going to be a lot less expensive. That's going to be the Best Printers ink. And so I highly encourage you to check out that product, check out that video so you can see for yourself and see if that's something you would want to do, because you could save a lot of money going the route of buying the Best Printers branded ink. All right, so once you're done with magenta, I usually like to install cyan last because I like to go left to right so I have a coherent pattern of installing the ink. So as you can see there might be a little bit of spillage. Just make sure you have maybe some gloves while you're doing this or some paper towel because it could be messy. These are bottled ink containers that could spill, so you want to make sure to have some paper towel on hand to clean up any spillage that might happen. I rarely have run into that, but it is possible, so just take the proper precautions. All right, so once you're done installing this ink bottle, that is it. Now there is one very important step that is left, and that is that you need to press the stop button for 5 seconds. I'm going to show you in the instruction manual where it says to do that so that you see that I'm not just making this up, but you're going to press the stop button for 5 seconds, and then for 11 minutes the ink is going to charge. All right, so that's really all there is to it. That's all you need to do to install the ink, and if you're setting up for the first time, this is what you'll need to do to charge the ink as well. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I handpicked 2 videos that are here on the screen for you to watch next. Also consider subscribing to this channel. There's so much helpful content for you if you're a printer owner, and it's just good to have a resource like this for you in the future, whether you're dealing with a printer that's not printing well or you need more printer recommendations. So I look forward to seeing you again in another video.